morning, students, and welcome to your English class.
Today we will learn about letter I. Letter I is the next letter after letter H, and it has two sounds. I as ice cream, E insect.
Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture?
In this picture, there is an iron. A woman is ironing the clothes on iron stand. Two children are enjoying their ice cream. Ice cream, iron stands are friends of I. Do you know some more friends of I? Yes, very good. Insect, ink pot, ice cubes, igloo are some more friends of I. Children, in this lesson we learned about an iron. Can you tell me, how does the iron work? Very good. Iron needs electricity to work. It is used to press the clothes. Be careful, it could be hot. How many children are enjoying ice cream? Can you count them? There are 3 children enjoying their ice cream. Let's learn to write letter I. Can you see the red dot? Place your pencil on red dot and move it on other dots. It is very easy. Now practice to write capital and small letter. For more updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.